Making meditation a habit. Welcome to our video on making meditation a habit. Today we are going to explore how you can integrate meditation into your daily routine, making it as natural as brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. Let's dive into some straightforward strategies that can help make meditation a regular part of your life. Why make meditation a habit? Meditation can significantly improve your mental and emotional health, helping you reduce stress, increase focus, and enhance overall well-being. By making it a habit, you ensure that you can consistently reap these benefits, helping you stabilize and enrich your day-to-day life. Tips for incorporating meditation into your daily routine. 1. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes each day. Even 5 minutes can make a difference and is a manageable goal for beginners. 2. Same time, same place. Try to meditate at the same time and in the same place every day. This consistency helps your mind associate that time and place with meditation, making it easier to transition into a meditative state. 3. Tie it to an existing habit. Link your meditation to a habit you already have. For instance, meditate right after you brush your teeth in the morning. This method, known as habit stacking, can significantly increase the likelihood of sticking to your new habit. 4. Use reminders. Set a reminder on your phone or leave a note in a visible place to remind you that it's time to meditate. Visual or sound reminders can help reinforce your new habit. 5. Be patient and consistent. It takes time to build a new habit. Don't get discouraged if you miss a day or two. The key is consistency, not perfection. Keep at it, and gradually it will become a natural part of your routine. Conclusion. Making meditation a habit does not have to be complicated. With small, consistent steps, you can begin to integrate this powerful practice into your life, enjoying the many benefits that come with regular meditation. Remember, the goal is to make meditation as routine as any other part of your day, which is entirely achievable with a bit of planning and perseverance. Start today and watch how this beautiful practice transforms your mind, body, and spirit, bringing peace and clarity into your everyday activities. Keep going, and soon you will find that meditation has become a cornerstone of your daily routine.